If you want to create AI music in ElevenLabs, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the music tool, write a strong prompt, choose whether you want lyrics or instrumental music, and generate your own custom track in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to ElevenLabs.io. Once you're on the ElevenLabs platform, look at the left sidebar and find the music option. Click on music to open the AI music generator. This is where you'll create your track from scratch using text prompts, which means you do not need to know how to produce music manually or use complicated editing software. Now, when the music prompt box appears, this is the most important part of the process. You want to describe the music as clearly as possible so ElevenLabs understands exactly what you want. Start by mentioning the genre. For example, you could say pop, cinematic, lo-fi, hip-hop, ambient, electronic, acoustic, or rock. Then add the mood you want the track to have. Do you want it energetic, calm, emotional, dramatic, inspiring, futuristic, or relaxed? The more specific you are, the better the result usually will be. Next, think about the tempo. You can describe whether you want the song to feel slow, medium-paced, or fast-paced. Tempo helps guide the overall energy of the music. After that, include the instruments you want to hear. You might want piano, guitar, drums, synths, strings, bass, or even orchestral elements. If you have a certain sound in mind, write it directly into the prompt so the model has a clearer direction. You should also decide whether you want vocals or just instrumental music. If you want a full song with singing, say that in the prompt. If you want background music for a video, podcast, ad, or presentation, make sure to specify instrumental only. That helps ElevenLabs generate a track that fits your intended use much better. If you want lyrics, you have two options. You can either write your own lyrics and paste them in, or you can let ElevenLabs generate them automatically for you. This is useful if you want a complete song but don't already have words written out. Just make sure the lyrics match the tone and style of the music prompt so everything feels consistent. Once your prompt is ready, double check it for clarity. A good prompt might include something like this. Create a cinematic instrumental track with a dramatic mood, slow tempo, orchestral strings, soft piano, and powerful build-up for a movie trailer. Or, if you want vocals, you could ask for an upbeat pop track with male vocals, catchy lyrics, energetic drums, and modern synths for a YouTube intro. The more detail you give, the more control you have over the final output. After that, click Generate to create your music. ElevenLabs will process your prompt and produce the track for you. Depending on the style and length, it may take a few moments. Once it's ready, you can listen to the result and see if it matches what you had in mind. If it doesn't, don't worry. You can adjust your prompt and generate again until you get something you like. That's really all there is to it. Open music from the left sidebar, describe the sound you want in the prompt box, add lyrics if needed, and click Generate. In just a few steps, you can create original AI music inside ElevenLabs without needing any music production experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tool walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.